Alright, hey folks, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you today with another episode of Unboxing Time. This is where I unbox things for the very first time. I don't know what's in it, but you get to find out along with me. Today I have a very interesting package to check out from the United States. And what the heck is this? They told me on the Instagram channel they were gonna send me one. And hopefully I'm in the club, you know, but what's in it? What could possibly be in this box? Well, if you hang out with me, you'll get to find out. With no further ado, let's open this thing. Here we are. Now you can see what I see for the first time. And here's the first thing we've got. Let me read this. Oh. Introducing new Cup Noodles Very Veggie Soy Sauce. Couples a medley of vegetables such as, you know what? I kind of guessed that that's what this might be. What do we got here? The first rule of the First Taste Club is what comes in the box goes in your belly. In this box you'll find our latest and greatest offering after countless comments, emails, phone calls, and carrier pigeons from our awesome fans. It's finally here. So I've got a friend, he runs www.dadbert.com, that's DADBERT.com, and he lives in Kentucky, and he noticed that along with these things called souped up, which are cup noodles versions that have extra meat. And I tried this, gosh, maybe like a month, 2 months ago. I think he lives in a test market. Ooh, there's more stuff in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. A sticker. That's a rad sticker. We got a cup noodles sticker, a Neato bigger cup noodles sticker. Oh, that's cool. Check this out. It's a robot. Yeah, you can't beat that. Gotta love robots. And another soy sauce. And another soy sauce. And another soy sauce. So that's cool. It's a lot of soy sauce ramen. And then we have this. What is this? Is it? This is a, wow, cool, very veggie one. I've got a whole slew of these multiple use cloth shopping bags. Well, cool, I don't want to sound ungrateful. I was really hoping that it was like some kind of prototype, but Nissan holds their cards real close when it comes to coming out with stuff. And I think I definitely jumped the gun on the, probably the release of this stuff. I really don't know. But yeah, I think the video's out. I'm pretty darn sure the review and the video are out for this one. I mean, this range of cup noodles, the Very Veggie, is exquisite. Rarely do I use that term, and I would say almost never before have I used it when describing a variety that comes in a cup that's microwavable from the United States. So this is just bomb stuff. And look at these stickers again. Tell you what, you guys want one? I will give away, because I've got, yeah, what about these two? Here, I'm gonna be benevolent, and it's fun. It's fun to make people happy, right? If you would like to win or be selected as a wonderful person and get this and this, all you gotta do is you gotta subscribe to the channel and you gotta put a comment. Now this is the thing, I just ran a contest for Tapatio instant noodles. The only way I have to reply to you is by replying to your comment, okay? So if you enter this and you subscribe and do that, if you see a comment from the Ramen Raider or a reply to a comment, look at it, because there's a good chance that's what you won. Well, cool. I'm stoked. I really want to see what comes in it looks like this is number 2. Yeah, it says 002 on there. So maybe this is the second First Taste Club box. You're getting one of the first tastes of our delicious new flavor offering. Please share what you think with us on social media and feel free to make your friends jealous. Anyways, all right. Well, yeah, you know what to do. Go in this video. I'll give it what? A week. Let's see, I'll put it out tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday it's a day. Look at this, spontaneous insanity. Loving it, right? No, don't open that. Let's see, tomorrow is Saturday the 29th. So you've got until October 6th, and then I'll pick somebody. So just like say why you should get it. Alright, well cool, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this, please click like. If you subscribe, I'll be really stoked. If you click the notification bell, you'll find out every time I come out with something new. And yeah, you can do that, and if you don't want to, or if you do, or whatever, check out these videos as well. Alright, cool deal. Have a good one, and bye.